Happy birthday, Niana! Magpapray ikaw lagi, susunod lagi kay Mami, tsaka kay Daddy. We love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Liana, the good sister and child. God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Niana!
7 ka na.
God bless you.
And have more birthdays to come. Bye! Bye!
Hi, Niana. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Hello guys! Happy birthday to you, Niana! 7 years old ka na at syempre, papalaki ng papalaki at habang lumalaki, lalong magbabait, lalong may takot sa Diyos at mahalin ang mga magulang, sundin palagi sa kanilang mga tagubilin or gabay at mahalin ang mga kapatid. Muli, happy birthday and God bless you.
Hi, Niana. Happy birthday. Stay happy, pretty, and healthy. Have fun. Celebrate your birthday. Enjoy. Bye.
Happy birthday, Niana.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Niana! Enjoy your day. We love you. This is Tita Vicky. Bye-bye.
Hi, Niana. Hi. Happy birthday to you. We wish you all the best, good health, and you celebrate until 120. Be a good girl, be a good daughter, study very well. We love you and happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Niana! Miss you! I hope you have a great life. And always makinig ka na Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah, we miss you.
We'll see you soon. Ate will make bawi. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Niana. Happy 7th birthday. Alam ko na matalino ka and then mag-aaral pang mabuti. I wish you all the best and good health. Lagi magbabait ha. Love ka namin. And then, lahat ka ng daddy and mommy mo tsaka ng mga kapatid mo. Happy birthday, Ate Niana. Bye-bye. Pati mo ba?
Happy birthday, Niana! Happy 7th birthday, Niana. Stay happy, kind, and keep smiling every day. Enjoy your special day and have lots of fun with your friends, family. Always remember that you are loved so much. Keep dreaming big and may God bless you with good health, happiness, and many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, birthday girl. Happy birthday, Niana!
Go!
Happy birthday, Niana! Love you!
Hi, Niana. Happy birthday. How are you? Do you still remember me? I hope your day is as wonderful and as bright as you are. I'll see you when I get back and let us play again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Niana.
Hello, bebe. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko ay sana ikaw ay maging honor sa klase palagi. Maging matalino, magsipag ng pag-aaral ha. At huwag laging kulitin ang kapatid. Laging dapat ay good girl sa matatanda at sa kapatid, sa magulang, kay mami at daddy, ang mga lolo and lola, mama and titas. Mag-aral na mabuti at ingat din ikaw palagi. Love you. Happy birthday.
We love you! Happy birthday! Happy 7th birthday, my dear Niana. Wish ko sa'yo ay maging malusog, mag-aral mabuti, para paglaki mo ay makatulong sa mga magulang mo, sa kay mami at sa daddy. Lagi mong tatandaan ang mga tinuturo ng teacher at ni mami at ni daddy
Sana sundin mo sila para sa iyong kabutihan. At mahalin mo ang iyong mga kapatid gaya ng tinuturo sa'yo. Maging modelo ka sa iyong dalawang brother. Yun lang. At sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday, sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Nyana. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nyana. I love you. Wish you more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Nyana. I love you. Hope you be good always.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday. Love you. Hello, Nyana. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy and stay pretty. Thanks for our friendship. Mwah.